we start stripping the front, we'll pull the headlights off and all the lights out the front. If you want to start grabbing the seats out, screen, washer jets, I'd like to try and get all the front end off today if we can. So although we want to keep originality and like patterns to the car, stuff like that, I mean, it's broken. We won't reuse that. And lots of things like you can see the seals here where it's completely missing across the front. So there's a limit to what you will keep. We won't keep those seals. We'll just get rid of those. It'll have a full new seal kit. Literally as every piece is coming off the car, we will check. You know, like these light units actually look like the back of the bodies possibly could be in really good condition, so we're hoping to try and save those if we can. The lenses, obviously, again, they're not UK spec. They'll have a clear section here, so we'll have to fit UK spec lenses for this country. This is common type of corrosion you tend to see in the boot floor, where it starts to corrode through. It's gone quite soft. Also, the cross member just behind the fuel tank here will be slightly rotten through, but it's nice to see that the inner wings are nice and straight, which shows it's not been in any accidents on the front end of the car. Both sides are actually really nice. This is just weather corrosion. Yeah. Wow, you can see how cracked the dashboard is from the sun. That's actually. That is so. That dashboard's been painted.
Yeah, it has. Yeah.
That's been rubbed down and painted.
Yeah, that's wrong around, isn't it? In that one.
Oh, that's got a massive ding in there.
Well, looking at that side there, with the filler in the door, new wing, this has had a bit of a
Side swipe.
yeah. Oh well, can be rebuilt.
Christ, mate, the filler's in there.
We'll call the washer jets out, and I'll get those washer jets as well.
Mate, there's loads of miles droppings in there. That's what the smell is. Oh my God, someone's made their own air filter. So when we strip the car, there's not many areas of the car that's got its original paint left, but this area underneath the parcel shelf here, where the cars are painted, they get a very heavy layer of paint on here. And because it's had a parcel shelf soundproofing over the top, the paint doesn't get any sun bleaching.